Here's the step-by-step guide ng ginawa namin from NAIA to Narita Airport. First, we filled out the e-travel form online. Kailangan itong gawin at least 72 hours before your flight. Next, we paid the travel tax online. Pero pwede rin kayong magbayad sa Counter E sa airport. If you're traveling with a child or have a relative working in Japan, you might be eligible for a discount or exemption. Mag-alat kayo ng 3 to 4 hours before your flight para hindi kayo magmadali. Pag open na ang check-in, kuha na kayo ng boarding pass. Kahit hindi ka mag-check-in ng baggage, kailangan mo pa rin pumila. Then diretso sa immigration and security check. Mabilis lang to if you filled out your e-travel form online. To successfully navigate Philippine immigration, you'll need a valid passport, visa, and a round-trip ticket. Depending on your purpose of visit, you might also need to present proof of accommodation, financial capacity, or other specific documents. After that, nag-chill muna kami sa boarding gate habang naghihintay ng flight. Flight time from Manila to Narita is around 4 hours. Japan is 1 hour ahead of the Philippines, so make sure to adjust your clock. Pagdating sa Narita, kailangan mo ng Visit Japan web para mabilis ang immigration process. Ipipresent ng dalawang QR code for customs and immigration. Kung wala ka nito, magsusulat ka pa manually sa airport. Then kumuha kami ng SIM card from Sakura Mobile, binook namin sa Klook, and nag-withdraw kami ng yen gamit ang aming GCash card. Mas okay ang rate sa 7 bank ATMs kasi mas mababa ang bank charge. Para sa mas detailed na video, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. Yun lang muna. Follow for part 2.